Hi guys, and welcome to my unboxing of the Apple Magic Mouse 2. So this is the packaging, and yeah, I got this for my new MacBook Air, which I also unboxed. Link for this will be in the video description. So yeah, let's get started. So first you can see here is a picture of the mouse itself, and it says Magic Mouse on top. On the two sides we have the Apple logo, and yeah, nothing really interesting on the other sides. So let's open it up. Try to get rid of this plastic right here. Exactly. Oops. And here it is. So let's try to slide it open really slowly. It doesn't really work, so I have to pull on the bottom side. As you can see in the lid there's nothing left, so let's put that aside. Now here we have the Magic Mouse 2 in white. Let's put that aside as well and take a look at what's inside of the box. So take out this little cardboard piece. Then we have the documentation right here. Stuff like quick start guidance and warranty informations. And then all that is left is a USB to lightning cable. I'm guessing around 1 to 1.5 meters, more like 1 meter. And yeah, this is all there is to it. So let's take a closer look at the mouse itself. So yeah, there's no scroll wheel, no real distinguishable buttons as there are in regular mice. But yeah, I think the design stayed pretty much the same since the Magic Mouse 1. And yeah, on the underside we have two of these feet, sliding feet or rubber feet. The sensor, I think this is the on and off button right here. Can slide it on. Now there's a little green there, so I think this is the on off lever. And right here on the underside, I think you heard of this, there's a charging port, so you can't really use the mouse while you're charging it, because yeah, if there's the cable inside here you can't use the mouse. You can't lay it flat on a surface. But yeah, this is already all there is to it. I will show you all of the components of the box again. So we have the documentation, the charging cable, and the Magic Mouse itself. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.